Welcome to the video review of the EviBlog module, a new blog module with a lot of new features such as inline editing, categories, tag cloud, themes, pingback, and live writer integration. This is from the Sitecore shared source library. When you have installed the module, you also get two sample blogs, the sample blog and test blog, that I'll be using in my demonstration. In the test blog, you can see that we have our posts, and in the left column we have our categories, and then the archive, and tag cloud, and then recent comments. The entries and the categories you set yourself, while the rest is set automatically. In edit mode, we click the edit button. Let's hit the ribbon. And now we have our own EviBlog tab, where we can create a new blog, a new category, a new blog entry. We get delete our blog, and we have some settings for the blog and the entry. So if you select the blog settings, you can see we can edit the title of our blog, our email owner, the theme we are currently using, how many items you want to display, and also how many comments. Do we want to enable RSS output? Do we want to enable comments with this blog? And then the email, and then if you want to enable live writer. And if we on one of the posts, we have similar settings for the entry. So while in edit mode, let's go ahead and create a new entry called test post, which will then generate our test post, which is then, you can see, we have a rich text editor, so everything is inline editing. Let's just add some text. This is a test of the new EviBlog module. Accept, and then let's save and close that. And then on our blog post itself, we go into edit mode. You can see we have what we just entered was the description, and we then also have the capability of adding the full text, and of course also the tags that will populate our tag cloud. So let's go ahead and enter some more stuff. This is the main text of our post. Let's give it some tags. Tag 2, separate by comma, tag 4. Go ahead and save that. You can see it automatically updates, and that it's using different kind of weight. It's divided into 5 different weights. So depending on how many times you've used a single tag, it will then get a higher score than the ones that are only mentioned once. And now that we have created our post, we can then, in our edit, go ahead for the entry, and then select which category we want our post to be assigned to, and also if we want to disable the comments, and then go ahead and save and close again. Now that we have created our entry, people can come and read it and comment on it by leaving their name, email, and optional website, and then fill in their comment, because we don't want all the bots coming in for a blog post and leaving all kinds of comments on pharmaceutical enhancements at such topics. There's also a capture field included, which you need to fill in before you can post your comment. Another neat thing is the custom web controls. If we on a blog go into a design, we have our sidebar, which are these controls here. Let's see if we can go up and down, so you can customize this to whatever you want to set up on the blog that you're using. Very cool. Okay. This concludes the first part of the video review of the EviBlog module, and in the next part we will continue with other features for the module as well as some customization.